Welcome to today's video. Today this video is sponsored by Ana Luisa, which are the pieces that I'm wearing today, and I can't wait to talk to you about them. Now, you know I've spoken a lot about sustainability, about how we need to care for our planet and look for where our products are actually coming from, how they're being made, how the mission statements behind brands. I think it's very important to now be very conscious about what we are choosing to purchase. They create sustainably crafted small batch jewellery from recycled silver and gold. They use ethically sourced materials and they offset 100% of their carbon emissions by sourcing raw materials and disposing of them appropriately. So whatever they take out, they give back, and that's really important. Exceptional quality, everyday pieces that you can enjoy and love and wear. Fair price point, it's luxury without the excess, so you feel you are doing good at the same time. They're handcrafted in the US and France, and the pieces that I'm wearing today I chose and I absolutely love. This is the Alyssa, it's the chain link necklace. Retails for $115 or £110 if you're in the UK. It's 100% recycled silver dipped in 14 karat gold. But 10% of each sale of this necklace goes to the World Federation of Mental Health, which you know is mental health I'm a huge advocate of, so that really makes me happy. It's tarnish resistant and it has a smart lock mechanism so it never gets stuck in your hair, and you can wear it the other way around as well, but I love it like this. Then these gold hoops, these are your classic gold hoops. They are dipped in 14K gold, made from recycled silver, hypoallergenic titanium posts, all day wear, and they retail for $55 or £51. What I like about these is that they're lightweight. You don't feel dragged down. You can wear them every day, all day. You want to be able to incorporate your jewellery into your outfit. It's an expression of who you are, it's personality, it's taking your outfit to that next level. And I believe in jewellery that you can wear and love on the daily. It's great, you can mix this with other things that you have, but you know, you want to be able to wear it every day and not keep it for best because it's your grandmother's pearls or something like that. That's what I love. I love jewelry that is versatile, easy to wear, lightweight, is not really a statement but kind of just molds into your personality and into your outfit. I just love that. And you know I love a hoop. A hoop makes an outfit. If you are ever in a quandary of how do I update my outfit, add a hoop, because a hoop just makes you look extra pretty. And these are gorgeous. They're not too big, they're not thin, they're the right kind of width, and they are so lovely. I've been wearing these all week, just enjoying them. And the necklace, again, you can wear this with casual outfits, you can wear it with a dressy outfit. That's what's great about the brand. So yes, now moving on to that is the fact that now that we are in unprecedented times and few of us have had lockdowns, and we need to keep the momentum going. We need to keep ourselves on track, and getting dressed and putting your makeup on and your jewelry on make you feel put together. It just gives you that extra step. It's that self-care. It's that taking care of yourself and making sure you are putting your best face forward, because you're going to feel better about it. When you dress well, you're going to feel well. You're going to feel better. You wouldn't go to a seminar and speak in front of a load of people in your tracksuit and a greasy hair bun. You wouldn't feel yourself. So getting dressed is a major part of my day, and that's working from home. I like to feel put together. I get my best ideas, I feel confident, and it's almost like you're doing yourself a service, because throughout the day you're going to catch yourself in the mirror and think, wow, I really like what I'm seeing, rather than being in your pajamas all day, which is fine once in a while, but to feel good about yourself and to do good, I think it's great to put the effort into how you look. Now, I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Please remember to check out Ana Luisa. I've got a link in my description box which has a code for you. So if you like anything, or you love anything, or you just want to treat yourself, you need some cheering up, or you want to cheer up a friend, then this is the perfect Black Friday deal for you. And like I said, not only is it an ethically sourced brand, but you get your products in these beautiful little pouches that then get sent in a small cardboard box that's easily posted through the letterbox. So we're not going to have massive boxes that you can't recycle. It's all very beautifully done, and this makes a perfect gift. If you want to cheer someone up, you know that they can get this through their letterbox. So it's a really nice idea, even just to treat yourself or someone you love. So do check that code out and get yourself something nice, and I will chat to you soon. Bye.